Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 108 in the Allure specification. So we originally sold this car from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It comes with 15-inch alloy wheels, there's keyless entry, tinted rear windows and a reversing camera. Inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, a speed limiter, and the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. The car's done under 15,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.